In the corner of my mind, shadows start to creep. Childhood memories haunt me, they don't let me sleep. Broken toys and silence, echoes of the past. Every smile a mask, but the pain's built to last.
Grew up in the darkness, couldn't find the light. Mom's tears felt like raindrops every single night. Told to be a soldier, but I felt like a ghost. Haunted by my struggles, it's the pain I know most.
Fast forward to now, still carrying the weight. Adult in the world, but a child in my state. Fighting in the demons, they won't let me be free. Searching for the answers, but they hide deep in me.
Every scar tells a story, every tear has a tale. Trying to break the cycle, but it feels like a jail. But we rise from the ashes like a phoenix in flight. Turn the pain into power, let it shine in the night.